Welcome to Futuristic Tech Trends. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications.
Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you about some websites, like 7 or 8 websites in which you can um, you know download the courses and kind of also make your own courses and kind of become a teacher or instructor. You can use this tool, use these platforms both as a student or an instructor. So first of all, I will tell you about Udemy. Udemy is a very wonderful website. It's a very famous platform right now, maybe the most famous. In you can, you know, go. You can, in fact, if you just go down, you will find a lot of courses here. Okay, if you click on, you see a lot of courses here. These are the prices of the courses. There are a lot of discounts available, and this is completely free if you want to become an instructor as well on this website. It's completely free. Of course, if you want to pay, then just click here, become an instructor. If you want to get paid for your for your courses, then you have to give a certain portion of your money to the Udemy organization as well. So the next very good platform is Kajabi. On Kajabi, newkajabi.com, you have more control over the courses that you create. You can fix your own prices by your own, whatever you want. You can as high as you want. In Udemy now they have limited the price of the lectures that you can have. You can ask for example, it's maybe right now up to 50 in Udemy, but here you can have your own prices. You can you have more control here, but this is like this the disadvantage of this new Kajabi is that you have to pay for it. You have a free trial version for 1 month, and otherwise you can go here, you go back and you click here on the pricing, and you see that you have these 3 packages, 103 per month, 311 and 719 if you want to play annual. If you want to play monthly, then the prices change. And then our third, uh, here also you can also become, of course these prices are because if you want to become an instructor, then you have to get a subscription. For a student it's free, and he can download and pay the money. And uh, now our third one is lynda.com. Lynda.com is also uh, our one of the learning platforms where you can make lectures and also teach, also learn from something. You have also payment here, but it's a bit cheaper than a lot cheaper than kajabi.com, and it's also a very good website. Then you have Coursera. Coursera is also, maybe many of you have already heard, it's a very famous website for downloading or watching online courses after paying them. There are of course many free courses available on all these websites, but many are paid. Also, you can become an instructor on Coursera. And then we have another one, Teachable. Teachable is another framework where you have also again premiership. This plan where you can join it as a member and you can pay, and then you can also become an instructor, and you can also become a student. Now, but this is also not free like Udemy, etc. Now we have another one which is also very famous platform. This is called Skillshare. Skillshare is also, you can also become a teacher. You can also just learn from these lectures of others and become a student. And this is also not this is also not free but paid. And then Udemy we already discussed. And then we have this Treehouse. Treehouse is for basically for the software people if they want to learn only for coding. The others, all these that we talked about, they have all the kind of topics: business, education, fitness, technical, non-technical, everything. And then you have open culture. On open culture also you can watch online courses, and you can, uh, you know, it's also free. So that's it.
That was awesome, thank you.
Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications.